What are the dimensions of a 20-pound CO2 cylinder? Or people ask, what are the dimensions of a 20-pound CO2 tank? Well, in general, with specs, this all depends on the type of tank. Aluminum, steel, with a handle, without a handle. Is there a cap on it? No cap. But in general, they are about 8 to 8.5, let's say 7.5 to 8.5 inches in diameter or wide. And again, they're going to be, this depends on whether you have a handle or not, they're going to be anywhere from 22 inches to 25 inches. With a handle, you may be on the 25 side. Without the handle, maybe on the 22 side, because if you're measuring it from the valve to the bottom of the tank or from the top of the handle to the bottom of the tank, two different measurements. So again, 7.5 to 8.5 inches and about 22 to 25 inches tall. Now the weight, that determines on the type. Aluminum, steel, full, not full. More information in the description below. We have a chart from 5-pound all the way up to 135 or 100-pound tanks on the general weights, the dimensions, full, empty, all of that good stuff. Leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts, and if you have any other questions, and we'll make sure to address those. Thanks for watching. This is CryoFX.